Let's consider a special case when we're dealing with factorising difference of perfect squares. So here I've got an expression 3x plus 5 squared minus x squared. Looking at this straight away, you might be like, well, I can see a plus in that first binomial, so I can't apply my difference of perfect squares. But actually, what we can notice here is that I've got this first term here being squared minus my second term being squared. So it still fits into my same difference of perfect squares of an a squared minus a b squared, okay? So we'll work through our steps so we can factorize this. Take out any common factors. We don't have any common numeric factors sitting at the front of either of my squares here, so I don't need to worry about that. So next, I'm going to square root each term to find a and b. I'm going to start by defining what a squared is and what b squared is. A squared here is the whole sum of 3x plus 5 squared. And b squared is just x squared. So to find just a by itself, I square root. So a is 3x plus 5. And b, again, I have to square root to find just b. X squared, square root of x squared is x. Okay, so now I've stated what b is and what a is. I can write this in my factorized form. So factorized form is always a plus b, a minus b. Here, a is 3x plus 5. So I'm going to write that at the front of both of my brackets. And b is, I'll write the second bracket, 3x plus 5, that's my a, and b is x. Okay. And then when we're writing it in our factorized form, we say a plus b, a minus b. The thing to note in this special case is that within both of these factorized brackets now, I actually have a pair of like terms. 3x and x are like terms. So I can simplify a little further. I'm just going to start by rewriting this, grouping my like terms. So in this bracket, I've got 3x plus x plus 5. And the second bracket, I've got 3x minus an x plus 5. So then that is equal to, well, 3x plus x, that's really 1x. So that's going to be 4x plus 5. And then in my second bracket, I've got 3x negative 1, 3x minus 1, which will give me 2x plus 5 on the end.